Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. It seems like there might be a small typo in your request, but I believe you're asking about the d3dx9_43.dll file, which is associated with directx9 and often comes up in the context of gaming or graphical applications on Windows. If you're encountering an error related to this DLL, it usually means that your system is missing the required directx components or that the application is not able to find the DLL. Overview of d3dx9_43.dll. d3dx9_43.dll is part of the directx 9.0c library and includes functions for handling graphics in applications, particularly video games. It provides many utilities for graphical operations, including shaders, texture management, and more. Common issues with d3dx9_43.dll. 1. Missing DLL error. This occurs when the application cannot find the d3dx9_43.dll file. It can happen if directx is not installed or if the file has been deleted or corrupted. 2. Compatibility issues. Sometimes, games or applications may not be fully compatible with the version of directx installed on your system. How to fix d3dx9_43.dll errors. Here's how you can typically resolve issues relating to d3dx9_43.dll. 1. Install directx. Download and install the latest version of directx 9.0c or later, from the official Microsoft website. The installer often includes all the necessary DLLs, including d3dx9_43.dll. 2. Reinstall the application. Occasionally, reinstalling the game or application can resolve missing DLL issues. 3. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues with directx. 4. Download the DLL manually. As a last resort, you could download the DLL from a third-party site. Be cautious with this approach, as it can pose security risks. Code example using directx9 with d3dx9_43.dll. If you're developing an application that utilizes directx9, here's a simple example of how you might set up a basic application using Direct3D. This example demonstrates initializing directx and creating a simple window. Explanation of the code. Window PROC, a callback function to handle window messages. Init d3d, function to initialize Direct3D by creating a device. WinMain, the entry point of the application where the window is created, and the message loop runs. Conclusion. If you're dealing with d3dx9_43.dll errors, the steps outlined above should help you troubleshoot the issue. Additionally, if you are developing with directx9, the provided code example gives you a basic structure to get started. Always ensure that your system is equipped with the necessary components to run directx applications.